Oh, I gave my bronze set away.
I thought you had silver stuff.
No, I have got silver stuff, but I don't wear it when I'm sailing. I wear
Why not?
for shit like that.
What, forgetting to repair the boat and taking it out for a spin?
What happened?
Sam lost another boat.
Actually, that's so fucking shit.
Was it a long ship?
Yeah.
Was it the one with the harpoons on that you made?
No, I like harpoons. You carry yourself, but didn't have anything in it. But it's just a pain in the arse. And now I've got to decide if I want to make another long ship or if I make backup iron shit. Why am I just unlucky with boats in this fucking game?
Maybe you should just not use the boats.
Yeah, I'm just gonna not use boats.
You can swim up to level 100 and then swim everywhere.
Can you imagine?
Put the stamina buff on and see how far you can get.
Ooh, it's not a bad shout actually.
Stamina buff only works for sprinting and jumping,
Not swimming.
not swimming.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make backup iron shit. Fuck wasting another fucking goddamn boat.
I just had my boat destroyed.
Sucks shit. Like, you should be able to repair your boat at sea, because the Vikings did.
Make it
But
too
you
easy.
need- But you need a
But you need a what? Crafting bench.
work-
Yeah, I reckon you should be able to build one on the boat.
Nah, that's
Make it too easy. Then you'd have to change how the fixing works.
No, they fixed them at sea as well. They did. Carried a lot of shit on board.
Hello.
Have to. There's accounts of Viking fleets being
Yeah,
stuck
you do it.
frozen in the fjords, so they build encampments on their longboats and live out the winters on them.
Come on, bro. Are my unarmed skills going up?
Are you punching each other?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gone up 3 times.
Yeah, same
In
on my
one
8 at the
stamina
moment.
bar. Hey, this isn't your fight.
I'll leave you guys to it. You work out your differences. Jake,
I'm on 10 now, Jake.
what's your transgression against Bruce?
He's not white.
Bruce, what's your transgression against Jake?
He's not yellow.